Okay, so today we are going to go over exponential rules, but in DESMOS. So it says which expression is equivalent to, and then we have this long thing. Important vocabulary. My important vocabulary is equivalent. Equivalent. Equivalent means equal and DESMOS. Okay, so when I look at this right here, I know I have an x. So I have x. You have the letter X right here, right here, right here. And I know I have the letter Y. So I have X and Y. When I do these types of questions, when I put them in DESMOS, I need to equal a number. So X equals, and we're always going to start with 3. Okay, always. For all these questions, always start with 3. Then you go Y equals, what comes after 3? 4. If we had a z, it'd be z equals 5. But there is no z in this situation. It's just x and y. So we're going to go to DESMOS, and we're going to type that in. When we're typing this in, we have to make sure it is a capital X equals 3. Capital Y equals 4. Only big letters work in the situation. So then now I'm going to type in all of this right here into DESMOS. Parentheses 7. Oh, wait, I forgot the fraction. So we're going to come here, make a fraction right there, boom. Parentheses 7, big X, little 2, right there. Then I'm going to go to the right. Then big Y, little 2. Then I'm going to put parentheses again, 8, big X, oh, no, big X, little 3, boom, boom. To the right, big Y, little 4 to the right, parentheses, then go down to the bottom part, parentheses, 4, big X, little 4 to the right, big Y, little 5 to the right. And now I have 168. That is my answer, 168. So when I'm doing all the answer choices, I need 168 to show up. That is what I need. So when I put in answer choice A, I have 14, big X, little 2, then big Y. That gives me 504. 504 is not the same, so it cannot be my answer. So if I do the next one, 14, X, Y, little 2, that gives me 672. 672. That is also not the same. If I do the next one, 14 XY, that gives me 168. So now I have 168, 168 and 168. That means C is going to be my answer. Now, let's try one more, okay? So for the next one, here's where we need to start reading again. It says which expression is equivalent to parentheses 15a little 2 or little 0 b little 2 c little 34 parentheses 3a little 16 b little negative 29 c little 0 for all the values of a, b, and c where the expression is defined. So here they give me the letters. They tell me I have a, I have b, and I have c. So I'm gonna do a, b, and C. And remember, we always start with the number 3. Always. It does not matter what's in the question, just always 3, and then 4, and then 5. Now we're good to go to DESMOS. So when we go to DESMOS, we're going to put this first. A equals 3, B equals 4, C equals 5. That has to be in DESMOS before you do the question, or it will not work. Then parentheses 15A, little 0, B, little 2, C, 34, parentheses, 3A, little 16, B, little, oh, nope, that's not right, B, little negative 29, then, oh, no, I forgot to see, C, 0. And then I see there's an error somewhere. I don't know what it is, but it tells me, hey, this isn't right. So, if I look at this, I see, okay, 15A, capital A, 0, and then I see this B is not capital. If it's not capital, it will not work. They all have to be big letters. So this equals 6.25 times x to the power of 16. This is what I want right here when I put the answer choices in Desmos. So let's try A. 18 divided by B, 58. This gives me 2.1, so I know that's not the same. So now let's try B. So I have 45 divided by B, 58. That's also 5.4 and 10 to the negative 34. That's not good either. So we can mark off B. Now let's try C. 18 divided by. Then we have big A, little 16. Big C, little 34. Then I have B, 27. And that gives me 2.5 times 10 to the 16. This is super close because the 1016 is the same, but it doesn't have 6.25, so this cannot be right. So let's try D. We have the division. We have 45, big A, little 16, big C, little 34. Then I have B, 27, and that gives me 6.25, 10, 16. So D would be my answer. Okay. So, super important, we always start with this, okay? This in Desmos. So, go ahead and give the other ones a try. Actually, let's do one more. So, which expression is equivalent to? We have all of this for all the values of m and n. My important word, equivalent, okay? So, I have the letters m equals 3, n equals 4. So, same thing we just did. We're going to do, oops, oh my gosh. Actually, let's do a different one. I changed my mind. Let's go all the way down here, right here, this one. Which expression is equivalent to 7a4b times all of this, blah, blah. So I have A, and I have B, and it says I have C, but I think I made a mistake. So we'll just do A and B. And I guess what? So we have A, B, B, A. So we don't have any C. So A equals 3, B equals 4. So in my Desmos, A equals 3, B equals 4. Then I'm going to type in all of this. Okay? So I have 7, capital A, little 4. Oh no, where'd it go? 7, capital A, little 4, B. Then to get this symbol right here, we have to use this right here, this little X on Desmos. Boom. And it gives me a little dot. Then negative 3, capital A, little 5, B, little 6, little 2. And that gives me 2.02 times 1016. Now, that's what I want when I put the other ones in Desmos. 63, A, little 40, B, little 16, or B, little 12. That gives me 1.2, 10 to the 28. That's not it. So let's try the next one. 42, A, little 40, B, 12. That gives me 8.5, so I know that's not good. 63, A, 14, B, 13. That gives me 1.2, so I know that's not, oh wait, I put 1, 13. That gives me, there's the answer, 2.2. So remember, if you miss even one little number, it changes your whole answer. All right, have a great day. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.